Guys, back here with another take and make kit. We're following along our theme of self-care in February, and the library has had no heat this week. I'm one of like 4 libraries, I think, that was hit hard by the polar vortex, and I'm sure you guys are all feeling it too. So we thought, what's a better way to finish your day than a nice hot bath? Warm up those bones, relax, maybe read a book, have a glass of wine, light that candle that you made a couple weeks ago, and enjoy a nice relaxing bath bomb. So let's get making. Okay guys, so you've stopped by the library and you've picked up your kit. So what comes in your kit? Well, you're gonna have a bag of powder, and we've got a container of liquid. So in your bag of powder, we have citric acid, cornstarch, Epsom salt, and baking soda. And our liquids, we've got a touch of water, we got some coconut oil, and I put some lavender essential oil in there because lavender is supposed to be really relaxing. It's supposed to be good for you, and it is heat safe. So it's not something you're gonna put in your bathtub that will cause issues or make your skin burn or any of that crazy stuff. So I've dumped my baggie in here, and I've got my liquid. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a fork, make sure everything is all kind of mixed up. This is a super simple craft. So got that in there. Now we're gonna open up our liquids and we are going to pour them in. We got a little bubbling going on here. Okay, now we're gonna get mixing this together. So you're gonna wanna mix it so that everything is, incorporating well, so we don't have just dry or just wet anywhere. So the citric acid is what caused that little bit of fizz there. Now that's okay if it fizzes a little bit now, because once it mixes in with everything, you should still get the same effect in your bath when you put it in there. Okay, so everything is feeling like it is fairly mixed in. You're gonna have like a kind of a semi-chunky, like it'll hold together, but it's still powdery. So once you got yourself to that state, I have sent you home with something we're all familiar with. These little Easter eggs, the things that we hide chocolates and pennies and all that other stuff in for our kids at Easter. So what you're gonna do is you're going to pack these. So you're gonna wanna pack them in fairly densely, just because when they set, you're gonna want them to stick. Now I've made mine ahead of time, and mine bonded together. But even if yours don't, if they don't stick and they don't turn into the perfect bath bomb, you can still just dump this stuff right into your tub and get the same effect, just maybe a little less fizzy fancy work, right? Oh, and it's up to you too. If you want to add food coloring to this, you're more than welcome to. I just didn't, because I'm not a huge fan of food coloring in the bathtub. I used to do that when my daughter was super small to get her to take baths. I used to tell her that they were fancy baths, and she would have pink baths and blue baths and purple baths. Oh, it looks like I've got a little bit too much in here. So you're gonna be able to tell, you're gonna wanna be able to close this, but you want it to be a little bit of a struggle, right? We want it tight. Okay, so there is one sealed. Now, I'm fairly certain, I have this recipe broke down. There should be enough in your kits to make 2 bombs. So I'm gonna send you home with one of these eggs, but if most people have a second one at home that they can put their stuff in. Alrighty, here we are, packing. And if you have a little bit of excess, just throw it in the tub next time. Not a biggie. Alrighty. Oh, having trouble getting this one to close. Sometimes this stuff plays tricks on you. It doesn't seem to want to solidify or to get in there. Okay, got 1 egg closed. I've got 2 closed eggs. So now what are we gonna do? We're gonna set these aside. You're gonna wanna leave them for a couple hours, maybe even overnight. And then, oops, I popped this one open. Once they are all set, then you just carefully open them up. And once they are carefully opened up, you can dump them right in your tub. And like I said, if they don't solidify for you, it's not a big deal. This stuff can just go right in the bathtub, same effects, same you know, calming, relaxing, good for your skin, good for your hair, chill out effects. I'm gonna send you home with the recipe as well. If you like this recipe and you enjoyed making it, go ahead, make a whole bunch of your own. Stock up for another day. All right, there we go. So, I hope you guys enjoy your bath bombs. I hope you get a chance to relax. Bye. All right, so it's been a couple hours, guys. I actually put my bath bombs in the fridge to solidify them faster. And look it, we have perfect little eggs. There's another one. I cannot wait to run a bath and enjoy my homemade bath bombs. I hope you guys enjoy too. All right, it's bath bomb time. Let's see how it goes. Whoop. And she's fizzing away. I hope you guys enjoy your bath bomb.